Students, today we are going to solve second comprehensive problem on fund flow statement. In this problem, we are going to discuss about the treatment of proposed dividend and provision for taxation. Look at the problem. Sum number 2. From the following balance sheet of XYZ Limited, prepare fund flow statement. Liabilities and assets of both year 2005 and 2006 are given. Asset side, goodwill, building, plant, debtor, stock, bills receivable, cash, bank are given. Liability side, equity share capital, preference share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, proposed dividend, creditor, bills payable, and provision for taxation are given. Adjustment, depreciation on plant rupees 10,000. So we have adjustment for plant, and on building 20,000. So we have depreciation for plant and building. On plant rupees 10,000, on building 20,000. Yes. Then an interim dividend of 20,000 has been paid in the 2006. So interim dividend always given in the adjustment. It will be recorded in two places. One is in adjusted profit loss account debit side. Another one is application side of the fund flow statement. Then income tax of 35,000 was paid during the year. So we have adjustment for income tax also. Okay. Then we have to take current assets and current liability for the preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. The current assets are debtor, stock, bills receivable, cash, bank. Current liabilities are creditor and bills payable. As far as proposed dividend and the provision for taxation concerned, we should be very careful. Here in this problem, proposed dividend is given, but it is not given under the current liability heading. So we should treat it as a long-term liability. So the proposed dividend opening balance 42,000 will be recorded in the application side of fund flow statement. The closing balance of 50,000, it will be debited to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. So the opening balance of proposed dividend considered to be proposed dividend paid. The closing balance of proposed dividend considered to be proposed dividend made. Then provision for taxation also not given under the heading of current liability. We should treat it as a long-term liability. Since provision for taxation has adjustment, so we should prepare ledger account for provision for taxation. Now I am going to prepare schedule of changes in working capital. I am going to take current assets and current liability. First, we'll take current asset. The first current asset is debtor. Debtor opening balance 1,60,000, closing balance 2 lakh. So there is an increasing in working capital. Then stock. Stock opening balance 77,000, closing balance 1,09,000. There will be an increasing in working capital. Then bills receivable. Bills receivable opening balance 20,000, closing balance 30,000. There will be a increasing in working capital. Then cash. Cash opening balance 15,000, closing balance 10,000. There will be a decreasing in the working capital. Then bank opening balance 10,000, closing balance 8,000. There will be a decreasing in working capital. Then we'll take current liability. There are two items, creditor and bills payable. We can treat it as a current liability. So creditors opening balance 55,000, closing balance 83,000. So creditor value increased. So there will be a decreasing in working capital. So 83,000 minus 55,000. So there will be a decrease in the working capital. Then we will take bills payable. Opening bills payable 20,000, closing bills payable 16,000. So the bills payable decreases, so which means current liability decreases, which will increase the working capital. How much? 4,000. Then I am going to total this. Here the gross increase exceeds the gross decrease. Okay. So I am going to total the gross increase. Gross increase 40,000, 32,000, 10,000, then 4,000. Gross increase 86,000. Recorded in the both side. Then I am going to deduct the gross decrease. So minus 5,000, minus 2,000, minus 28,000. So gross increase exceeds the gross decrease. This we can treat it as a net increase in working capital. Net increasing in working capital, it will go to the application side of fund flow statement. Then we are going to prepare adjusted profit and loss account. Then we are going to prepare adjusted profit and loss account to find fund from operation. We are going to use other item other than current assets and current liabilities. Current assets and current liability. This is debit side. This is credit side. First we will take profit and loss account. Profit and loss account opening balance 30,000, closing balance 48,000. So profit and loss account appears in the liability side. It shows always credit balance. So opening balance credited by balance BD. Opening balance 30,000. Closing balance 48,000. Closing balance 48,000. For other item, I am going to prepare ledger account. We will start with the assets. Goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible fixed asset. Its value decreases. This we can consider as goodwill written off. So for goodwill, we need not to prepare ledger account. The decrease we can record as goodwill written off. It will be debited in the adjusted profit loss account to goodwill written off. The difference, how much? 1,15,000 minus 90,000. The decrease 25,000, we can treat it as a goodwill written off. Then for building, we have to prepare ledger account. Building, we have to prepare ledger accounts. Building is an asset. Opening balance debited, closing balance credited. So opening balance how much? 2 lakh. Closing balance 1,70,000. At the same time, it has adjustment. Depreciation on plant 10,000. Building rupees 20,000. So we have depreciation for building. How much? 20,000. The same depreciation should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account to depreciation on buildings rupees 20,000. Then we'll balance this building account. Here the balance arrives in the credit side that we called by bank. We can consider this one as sale of. This we can consider as sale of building. Then plant. Then we have to prepare ledger account for plant. Plant is an asset. Opening balance debited to opening balance, closing balance credited. So opening balance 80,000, closing balance 2 lakh. Then we have adjustment for plant depreciation 10,000. It will be credited by depreciation value 10,000. The same depreciation on plant should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account to depreciation on plant value 10,000. Then we have to balance the plant account. Here plant credit side is heavier than debit side. So here the balance arrives in the debit side that we can consider as purchase of plant. To bank it will go to the application side. 2,10,000 minus 80,000. 1,30,000 considered as purchase of plant. Then debtor, stock, bills receivable, cash, bank are considered for the preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. Then move to the liability side. The first item is equity share capital. For that we have to prepare ledger account. Equity share capital is a liability, so its opening balance appeared in the credit side. So opening balance of equity capital 3 lakh, the closing balance 4 lakh. What happens? Share capital increases. So it is a source. By bank 1 lakh. By bank, it will be recorded in the sources side of fund flow statement as issue of equity share capital. Then we have preference share capital. Opening balance credited 1,50,000. Closing balance 1 lakh. Here the credit side value heavier than debit side. So preference share capital decreases. Here the bank will be debited. It will go to the application side as redemption of preference share capital. Then we need not to prepare ledger account for general reserve. The difference should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account. So general reserve transfer General reserve transfer. The difference how much? 30,000. We need not to prepare ledger account for goodwill, general reserve, preliminary expenses and discount on issue of share and debenture. For these, we need not to prepare ledger account. The difference should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account. Then profit and loss account already we considered. Proposed dividend concerned not given under the current liability heading. The opening balance goes to the application side of fund flow statement. The closing balance debited to the adjusted profit loss account to proposed dividend. Proposed dividend. Closing balance considered as made. So the closing balance considered as made. Proposed dividend made how much? 50,000. Then creditor bills payable considered for the preparation of schedule of change in working capital. Then we have to prepare ledger account for provision for tax because it has adjustment. Very important. Provision for tax. Since it is a liability, its opening balance credited by opening balance of provision for tax 40,000. Closing balance of provision for tax 50,000. In adjustment, either income tax paid or income tax made are given. Any one is given. Income tax paid or income tax made are given. So, if paid is given, it will be debited to the provision for income tax. To bank, it will go to the application side. This is paid. The value how much? 35,000. So, we have to find provision for tax made. The balance transferred to adjusted profit loss account. This we called provision for tax made. It will go to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. Provision for tax made. Provision for tax made how much? 45,000. Students, provision for tax concern, sometime they may give adjustment. The adjustment may be paid or made. If paid is given to bank, if made is given by adjusted profit loss account. Here paid is given, we ascertained paid is given, we ascertained the provision for taxation made. It will go to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. Sometime made is given, we have to find the made. Then depreciation already we considered. Then interim dividend, it will affect two places. One is adjusted profit loss account debit side, another one is fund flow statement application side. So two interim dividend. To interim dividend, its value 20,000. Then I am going to total this adjusted profit loss account. Here debit side exceeds the credit side. So 25,000 plus 20,000, 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, 45,000, 20,000, then 48,000. So the debit side total 2,48,000. 2,48,000. Deduct the 30,000, we'll get to 2,18,000. That we called funds from operation. Balancing figure. It will go to the sources side of fund flow statement. Then we are going to prepare the last one called fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. Fund flow statement has two sides. Left hand side sources are recorded. The right hand side applications are recorded. Then first we prepared schedule of changes in working capital. The outcome is net increasing in working capital. It will go to the application side. Net increasing in working capital, its value 51,000. Then we prepared adjusted profit loss account. We ascertained fund from operation. It will go to the sources side. Its value 2,18,000. Then we will take items from the ledger account. Building, bank balance arrives in the credit side, that we can consider as sale of building. So sale of buildings rupees 10,000. Then plant, bank arrives in the debit side, that we called a purchase of plant, its value 1,30,000. Then equity share capital, the bank arrives in the credit side, that we called increasing in the share capital. We can write as issue of equity share capital. How much they increased? 1 lakh, that is a source. preference share capital, the bank debited, that we called a redemption of preference share capital, that we called redemption of preference share capital. How much? 50,000. Then provision for tax, opening balance, closing balance, paid is given, we ascertained provision for tax made goes to the profit and loss account, adjusted profit and loss account debit side, the paid goes to the application side. So income tax paid, its value 35,000. Then I said the provision for proposed dividend, the opening balance will be recorded in the application side of the fund flow statement, because it is assumed that one as paid. Proposed dividend, opening balance, we are considered that one as paid. Its value how much? 42,000. Then one more item, interim dividend paid, it will affect two places. One is in the adjusted profit loss account debit side, another one is application side of the fund flow statement. Interim dividend paid. Its value 20,000. Now I am going to balance this. Debit sources side 2,18,000 plus 10,000 plus 1 lakh. Total 3,28,000. Then application side 51,000 plus 1,30,000 plus 50,000 plus 35,000 plus 42,000 plus 20,000. So application side also we are getting the same value. Students, we completed very important problem as far as fund flow statement concerned. In next class we will solve different problem. In next class especially we are going to discuss about the treatment of accumulated depreciation or treatment of provision for depreciation in fund flow statement. Till then, bye and thank you.